And we're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, and liftoff. What's going on, guys? What's up? Crypto pumping again. Oh, what's going on, guys? It's been an incredible day to all my people in the Vechain ecosystem, to all the holders, and even to the Bitcoin people as well. I see you, everybody. I'm live on YouTube. That's where all the action is happening. Some of you guys are live on Instagram. I would suggest that you come onto YouTube and join me over there. We have the whole hustler community. The crypto hustle community is live on a Sunday because every day for us is hustle day. You know what I mean? So show up, start with the basics, destroy the like button until it breaks, and let me know if you can hear me, because I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. It's a very important video here regarding one coin today we're going to discuss, and that is Vechain. I don't have to tell you that Vechain has been exploding in the last 24 hours, but if I show you what I'm about to show you now, you will understand why Vechain is only getting started. And there is a case to be made here for those of you who are not paying attention. And I will admit first, I am one of the few people who has never been bullish on Vechain. But this time around, I am. And I will show you in this video why that is the case. All right. To all you crypto beginners, if you're very new to crypto, you want to join the crypto movement, you want to be a blockchain hustler with us, I have a link in the description that takes you to a page called the starter pack. It will give you all the basics you need to get started with crypto. It will also give you some links to platforms that I recommend for trading crypto. And number one is Bybit, where you can buy cryptocurrency with your credit card, with your bank transfers. You can trade crypto at spot. You can also trade crypto derivative with future contracts. You can trade futures contracts with leverage up to 100x if you like to do that. So use my link in the description. You will get a discount on that. And if you're a new user, if you sign up using my link and register and make your first deposit, they will give you $10 in SLP coin. So that is some love to you guys from Crypto Hustle. And also, if you deposit USDC right now on Bybit, minimum $500, you're going to get $20 for free, because they're trying to accumulate or grow the amount of people that are using USDC. Because we all know one thing for sure, USDT is kind of questionable. You know, everybody knows this. We have been talking about USDT and wow, it's unreliable. So most exchanges and most traders are now moving to USDC, including myself, right? I've already said before that if you trade a lot like me, if you keep a lot of your money on exchanges and then you stay stable, sometimes you want to be tethered to make sure you're not losing out of volatility, make sure you diversify your stablecoin holdings. That's all I can say. Destroy the like button, guys, and let's keep this baby pumping. If you're on Instagram, come over to YouTube and let's keep this baby going. And so many people are asking me why I spent $15,000. Oh, I bought two now. So I spent $30,000 in the last 48 hours. $30,000 spent on two NFTs only. I don't even know what they look like. Now, so many people are like, Gray, why are you doing that? Tomorrow, I will make a video for you guys explaining my logic behind it, and you will let me know exactly if it actually makes sense. So let's get back to the business of the day, Vechain. I see you. Oh, man. Nigeria is already in the house dropping them flags. Nathan, I see you here on Instagram as well. What's going on, man? How is Oxford? How is Oxford? No, you're not in Oxford. You're in the UK, but not in Oxford. I might be wrong. Everybody likes the Bitcoin cap. So let me share this with you guys. I am in Dubai right now, attending it happened that I was in Dubai anyway, but then the Binance week, the Binance blockchain week is starting tomorrow, and I'm here. And 4 of my friends actually joined me from Cape Town. They landed today, which is fantastic. And 1 friend from the UK also joined me here. So we have like a whole gang of crypto heads having fun and doing business over here. It's fantastic. If you're in Dubai, let's connect throughout the week at the Binance Blockchain Week. There is a Binance party tonight. I will attend that one in the marina, in the Palm. And there is also a Binance meeting, a Binance meetup. That one is free tomorrow, I think. On the 30th, sorry. You guys can come through and we can meet over there. All right, so let's get going with the news for today. Okay, so I'm looking at BT to the C. Yo, Master Louis, I see you there. You are on Instagram. What's going on, sir? Let's move this phone over here. Yeah. All right, so this is what's going on, guys. We're looking at BTC, of course, where it's supposed to be on the tip top. 44,400 and a bunch of altcoins pumping as well. Ethereum above 3,000 again, reminding you many times that if you do the right thing, which is to buy when markets are down and you don't have to think about it, you will always make money, right? I'm going to click on the 7-day average and you can see Zilliqa is on top of the world with a 97% pump in 24 hours, giving us a 141% return in 7 days. Ooh, Convex Finance pumping 48%. Yo, guys, we might say we're in a bear market, but if you have been buying the right stuff during the correction, you are still in the money. Ethereum Classic has been crushing it as well. Vechain, this is the subject of today. 13.7% pump. No regrets, still pumping hard. I love it. I love it. I like the VeChain, and that's what we're going to focus on today. And I also see here Cardano winging its head. I mean, not too bad at 23.9% in the last in the last 7 days. It's pretty nice. ApeCoin pumping up after a minor correction. I do expect a further correction on this one, but let's get to the story of the day. VeChain. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is fundamentally a good project. It's been around for a long time. I sort of lost hope on VeChain for a long time, to be honest. And you guys have been asking me about it. And I told you that, yo, VeChain, it's not for me. All right. But right now, I'm now coming back into VeChain. And I would explain to you why, okay? If you want to buy VeChain, by the way, it's available on Binance. Link to Binance is also in the description below, okay? So this is what's got me interested, right? Before we look at the technicals, which are more important to me, but look at the news. Draper University partners with VeChain to train Web3 founders. If you don't know what this means, guys, this is an OG called Tim Draper. He's a billionaire, has been in crypto for so many years. He is behind a lot of good projects, including you guys know who. If you can guess what other project that Tim Draper is on, I will give you $50 right now on the stream. So I will leave that comment section for you. What project is Tim Draper associated with in crypto? How many? You can mention 1 or 2 projects, and you win $50 on the stream in Dogecoin, because we love the Doge. All right. So I'm not going to mention which projects he's associated with, but he is a monster. All right, so this guy, his university is highly now involved with. He's highly involved with VeChain. They want to train a lot of founders to build Web3 platforms on the VeChain platform. So you can see VeChain has been around for a long time, but its use case is very different from Ethereum, for example, right? Ethereum can create all these Web3 tools that are only like closed, based on closed ecosystems that only work online, like, you know. But if you think about it, VeChain has to do with supply chain and sort of infrastructure for institutions. It needs entrepreneurs to come up with ideas and build businesses and start building stuff. And so far, it has one of the weakest developer community and entrepreneurial community. That's why we don't see any innovative products on VeChain. That is about to change. And that is exactly what Tim Draper is bringing by training so many entrepreneurs on VeChain. and giving them 100K capital, $100,000 capital to get started, we're going to see a lot of people building on top of the Vechain ecosystem. If that happens, guys, we're now going to see a lot of utility of Vechain followed by price appreciation. That's enough. Now, let's look at the technical analysis of Vechain, okay? I'll have to expand this a little bit more. There we go. So this is Vechain. This is a monthly chart, okay? It's stable price, so I would say its floor, it's somewhere roughly around this area here, okay? So this is where it consolidated the most, all right? You could say this is this is 0.0043 area. And around 2021, of course, we saw it pumping all the way to an all-time high of 27 cents. And it crashed since then a lot, way more than a lot of coins. From this point, we're now sitting at minus 76%. But if you look at it, it's literally, it really neared the floor price, which it doesn't make sense because it will never, I don't think it will ever return down to these levels at all. It will be a nightmare if it does, but I don't think it will. Okay, now this is a very long-term chart, just showing you, a time frame in the last few months. Now let's switch this around to the daily, and you see what I'm seeing. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys. Vechain has just managed yesterday to break up this resistance level here. It's one of the most serious resistance levels from its beginning of the takeoff. So this area here, where I just have the red line, let me actually make it green so that you guys can see it much better. We can't, oh, somebody says we can't see. Oh, you guys are on Instagram. You can't see because you're on Instagram. Go to YouTube, Crypto Hustle, you'll be able to watch. Okay, so you can see it on this angle, guys, that let's make this different color, yellow. I like yellow. Okay, you can see this was a critical area before. In February, it struggled to break above this area, right? Because it tried multiple times and it broke down. Only on the second attempt, it managed to break out. And once it broke out of this level, what happened? Let me highlight that quick. Once this level was broken, guess what happened? An explosion of Vechain took off. All right, check it out. See it for yourself, guys. All right, since then it crashed. But if you pay attention around this level, right, this is where the amount of support was all this time, because even when it crashed, it wasn't really going down below this level, the yellow line. You can see there were wicks here and it was always bouncing back, and the candles were closing way above this yellow line. Even here, when the last pump started, it was exactly at the very same moment. Insane, guys. This is insane. It's so insane. And now it took off. And obviously, we had a minor pump and then we had a major depression. This one was so heavy that it managed to take Vechain under the yellow line again. You can check it out here. Okay, let me zoom in on this one. Okay, here we go. It managed to take the yellow line all the way down again, and we trended down on the yellow line multiple times. Only yesterday, after multiple attempts for a few days, we saw a breakout of Vechain with a straight green candlestick and massive volumes as well. And now we're following up with another green candle. All right, the next level of resistance is somewhere that is really strong, is somewhere around 0.93. So we could really see this on 10 cents again very soon, which is super excited. Okay, now if I had to come with some, this is what was going on. Okay, this is what was going on. These are just simple trend lines to make this even more clear. Okay, so this was the trend that we have been playing around with. We've been flirting with this trend, and now we just broke above, and we're now looking at something along these lines, right? We're looking at this, and maybe another breakout to the top. Okay, so this is super insane, guys. I'm really super pumped for this. I can actually bring out the volumes for you guys to check it out. You can check out the volumes for yourself. Down here, you can see on the daily, the volumes are super positive. All green for so many days since the 14th of March with only 2 days of dump. Insanity, backmanity, insanity, okay? So this is definitely another reason to be super bullish on that Vechain. And in the long run, it's a perfect moment. Just when Draper came in to start building an infrastructure and ecosystem of entrepreneurs to be able to now bring in a lot more holders into this coin, you can also see that the technicals were perfectly aligned. And I wouldn't be scared to jump in right now. There definitely is going to be a little correction maybe, but we know that we're already close to the floor. I mean, if you think about it, we can just look at the numbers here purely. We can measure where we are right now to its bouncing point. It's 32% minus. Bang, bang, bang. Simple mathematics, guys. You can definitely check it out. So if you're not bullish on Vechain, I don't know what to tell you. I don't really know what to tell you at this point. This is the time to pick it up and load it up and lock it up in your wallet and DeFi the heck out of it in some interest-bearing accounts to generate some free income. If you're worried about short-term volatility, you want to trade it, you can as well. You know, you can literally buy and put your you can say, okay, from current price to the next serious resistance is 39%, almost 40%. So I would literally put my TP around like 30% to avoid extractions at the top. That's exactly how I would do it, you know. So that's pretty much what it is. I see so many people here. I see Malawi in the house. Some people here talking about Tim Draper is behind BT to the T to the C. But there are other projects that he's especially involved with. Tezos is a project he's involved. Okay, let's see who are the first commenters. Okay. Greg, can you check MCRT coin is a good investment? I don't know, to be honest with you. I know of it, but I haven't looked into Magicraft so long. But I do know the founder. I know James, he's also here in Dubai. All right, so let's see. Explain more about USDT stuff. I should actually just make a video about that very soon, but it's very important. It's a long story about USDT, but USDT is not the most trusted altcoin, stablecoin in crypto. It's like the most used, but the most suspected of fraud and other crazy things. All right, so let's see. Somebody says Ethereum, ETH, Ghost, ETH, ApeCoin, NFT, ETH, Ghost. So Mahiba Mahmoud was the first person to say Tezos. So Mabiba, you're the one who won the $50 worth of Dogecoin. Okay, drop your address below. I gotta see it. Congratulations. So I'm giving it to her because he's the one who said it first. Okay. Please, guys, destroy the like button. Let's take it all to the moon. If you are a Vechain holder, destroy the like button. Destroy the like button. Is Vechain a long-term investment project? Yes, it is, definitely is. I was worried about its ecosystem. You know, there hasn't been so much building on Tezos, but right now we have Tim Draper coming in, and even from a technical point of view, it really looks good. It looks juicy as hell. And as you can see, the crypto market is now starting to trend up again, which can only mean one thing: up only. Is ApeCoin worth investing in? Yes, it's not financial advice, but I am an investor in ApeCoin. I bought like 5,000 worth of ApeCoin a few days ago as well when it dipped down a little bit. So yeah, that's for sure, man. A lot of investors going into it. This is Funmi. She's adding into the story about Vechain. If you love Vechain, destroy the like button. Destroy the like button. If you love Vechain, 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 destroy the like button. If you love Vecha And that is exactly what we need. We need more Vechain pumpers, man. The thing with the Vechain is that it already has a community that loves it. It's like the Vechain community on Twitter and Reddit is insane. But it's more, it has been like XRP, where people love it so much, but the price action hasn't been that impressive. Like, I don't know any rich Vechain investors just yet, you know? I don't even know like rich XRP army of recent years. Like, all the people who got rich from XRP are like the ones who got into it from the 2014 XRP days. But nobody who invested in these coins in the last 3 years got rich. So I don't like projects like that, you know. There is a guy imitating you because of your lessons. I did not fall victim. I actually made fun of him. Yeah, thank you guys. Just so that you know, I never DM people or ask for money or ask you about your trading or ask to trade on your behalf. Anybody who messages you is a scammer. Their account might look like mine, but if you look at their account, you'll see that they literally created this account a few days ago. All the posts were posted in the last few days. They copy all my posts and post them on their platform. It's scammers. So please do not fall for it. I am not asking people for money, and I will never do. Please report those accounts when you see them. All right. Rune have been on fire. I was actually thinking of making a Rune video very soon, but maybe I should, because I'm still a Rune and Matic whale. You know what, guys? Remember when I was talking about being a Matic and whale, a Rune whale on Twitter? That was like a year ago. Now things is crazy. This thing is now like over $10 again, and we're talking about this when it was $2. Now I'm like, should I sell my Rune? I'm like, no, it'll pump more. It'll pump more. One of the most important projects out of last year. It was a problem when it got hacked, but now things are okay again. Okay, Habiba, I'm sending you some Dogecoin, $50. Just to send to show you guys proof of work. I will share this right now on the stream. Let's see. So that you can see that I'm not playing around. On the crypto hustle, we don't play no games. All right. So this is the $50 in Doge. Let's send it. And you hear the sound of the money from the Exodus wallet. That's how it works. One of my favorite. I actually shared the wrong thing. Oh my gosh. Anyway, but I sent the money. All right. So another thing I would like to share with you guys, as always, it's if you really want to be part of the cryptocurrency movement, join my Telegram group. It's free. Join my Discord server. It's free. Links are always in the description of all my videos. It's faster to join the community and ask questions there if you have any than DMing me on Twitter, on Instagram, and Facebook. Like, I would like to really reply to everybody. But as you can tell, it's practically impossible. That's why we need a community. That's why we created the Crypto University community, where you can join, ask questions. People will be happy to answer you. You will learn a lot more. I learn from the community as well. Like, I just don't know all these things. I have to learn from somewhere. So I learn from the community. I recommend you need to be around people who are also heavy onto crypto. So join the community. If you don't know anything at all about crypto, you want to start from the ground, I have an incredible course for you at Crypto University. Go to cryptouniversity.network, all right, and sign up for any of my courses you want. Right now, the Crypto University Masterclass, which combines my investing course, trading course, NFT course, and basics course in one package, is available at a huge discount. You only pay once. Go get it. And then you also get access to all the private channels as well. All right. So that's what I can leave you with. Let me jet out of here. I will be attending the Binance party tonight at the Palm in Dubai. And if you're going to be there, I'm also going to see you there, guys. All right. I see Impatso Tembo here says, BitDAO, what's your take on it? Yo, bro, BitDAO, like I told you, I'm not going to say much, but I think most of my private group members know. I told you guys about it. Buy the heck out of that shit and stake it and forget about it. It's literally this close. If you look at the price where the institutional investors went in, around 90 cents. The coin is just above $1, which means its floor price is 90 cents at worst. You know what I'm saying? And it costs you nothing, but it's already one of the largest DAOs of all DAOs, an investment DAO with over $2 billion in reserves. It has Peter Thiel and Founders Fund on it, S16Z, Bybit, and so many other investing firms. If you're living on BitDAO, I don't know what to tell you. It's just that the DAOs are not in fashion just yet. But when they come in, you will see. You will remember this video, guys. Okay, what's the best way to make money in crypto? There are like 120 ways. I'm actually thinking of launching a free webinar for like crypto for beginners in April, so that I can help a lot of people who want to make money into crypto. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I post updates on there, especially on TikTok right now. I need more followers. And on my YouTube channel, if you want to see my vlogs, I also have a vlog channel. It's called Grey Jabesi. Search it and subscribe to that as well. Your support is always important. Guys, I'll see you on the moon. If you are holding right now Vechain, destroy the like button and leave a comment below. All right. If you're considering buying it, hit the like button as well. If you're holding it already, let me know in the comment, and also tell me which other coins are you holding on Vechain. All right. I'll see you guys. Peace.